Hi, buddy. I'm back. And now, welcome to the main event of night 2 of Survival World. Introducing first from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing PNS, Spaz Smith. Introducing next from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, he is Sergeant Mario. And his opponent from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, he is Mighty Frank. And now, introducing the champion. He is the reigning and defending JWE Canadian champion, my best friend, Larry Smith. And here we go. Spaz is going after Mighty Frank. Sergeant Mario has been eliminated. Holy cannoli. Sergeant Mario got a little cocky there. Now we're down to 3. We're down to Spaz Smith, Mighty Frank, and Larry Smith. I cannot believe that. Sergeant Mario had Larry ready to go, lean up against the ropes, but Larry reversed it and threw him over. Now, who's walking out with the gold here tonight? Sergeant Mighty Frank has Larry down in the armbar. That's gotta hurt. Mighty Frank and Spaz are going at it here now. Larry and Spaz. Sergeant Mighty Frank knocks Larry down. Helicopter spin. Spaz now. Sail the doctor and buckle. Larry's lucky he was not eliminated. Oh, he would have lost his gold. Spaz drops Larry down. Spaz let the chair drop by Mighty Frank. Alley-oop. Boom. Onto the Larry needs a backyard me after that one. Mighty Frank has Larry now. Leads him up against the ropes. Hoists him up. Can he eliminate him? Can him and Spaz eliminate Larry? And they do. Larry Smith has been eliminated. We're going to have a new champion here tonight. Will it be Spaz Smith? Or will it be Mighty Frank? Spaz now gets reversed by Mighty Frank. Mighty Frank has Spaz now. Leads him against the ropes. He picks him up. Can Mighty Frank do it? Spaz is on the apron. Oh no, Spaz survives. Oh, what a clothesline there onto Mighty Frank. Spaz drops the knee on his face. Picks him up. Fisherman suplex. Mighty Frank punches Spaz in the back. He puts him in the corner. Chop, chop, chop like a broccoli. Mighty Frank. Oh! Kick to the chest there. By Spaz on the Mighty Frank. Springboard cutter. Connects. Spaz now in control. He has Money Frank. Leave him against the ropes. He picks him up. Can Spaz eliminate Money Frank here? He has him on the apron. All Spaz got to do is just push him out. No, Money Frank survives. He's still in this. Clothesline. Picks him up. Spaz is going for the wicked stepsister here. Is it going to connect? Yes, it does. Money Frank is down. Spaz now picks Money Frank up. Pulls him over. Money Frank is out. He's been eliminated. Here is your winner. And the new JWE Canadian Champion, Spaz Smith. Thank you so much for watching Night 1 and 2 of Survivor World. I'll see you guys in WWE 2K25. Jackhammer out.